So right here I have an earwax removal kit, which basically what it does is it breaks down the earwax in your ears. Since earwax is not water soluble, this is definitely one of the best methods to actually remove earwax from your ears. And basically what you want to do to use this is you simply want to first open it, and you'll see it comes with a dropper as well as the chemical solution that is used to actually break down the earwax in your ears. Now your bottle might not look exactly like this one, it might be slightly bigger depending on the brand that you're using, but how you can use this is we simply need to put this thing off to the side because we can actually use this after. This is basically to remove the solution from your ears after it's been cleared out. So basically you want to open up the bottle and you can actually see there's some liquid just in the top of it, and you basically want to tilt your head just slightly to the side like this just to make sure that the fluid actually gets down into your ears to actually display and remove the wax from them. So as you can see, when we turn our head, you just want to put this in your ear. You don't want to push it all the way in, like you don't want to shove it down. You just want the tip of this to slightly be on the edge of the canal of the ear, and you can see when you tilt your head, you just want to squeeze this about 5 to 10 times. That's the recommendation. And once you give it a good 5 to 10 squeezes, you simply want to wait between 2 and 5 minutes. That's a general good rule of thumb. You typically don't want to wait more than 5 minutes. And once it's actually been a good 5 minutes, you simply want to grab your dropper and you actually want to get warm water, which you want to fill this with, and you simply want to put this in your ear like so and just squeeze a drop or two and just like get the fluid out of your ear just by doing this about 10 to 15 times. And once you've done that, you can simply do the same thing on the other side again with your head tilted and use this with warm water to actually get the fluid out of your ear after you've waited 5 minutes leaning sideways. And yeah, that's one of the best solutions you can do to remove earwax from your ears.